Right next to the cafeteria is kind of what I would consider an executive entry area or an executive wing. If you had church leadership in from out of town, they needed a place to set up offices. This used to be one of the receptions for the executive wing here. See, they've got very high-end finishes, kind of like a five-star hotel lobby. This was where a reception desk was, granite countertops throughout. Then right off of here, you have another very large meeting area. You can see in the distance a floor core, so you have capabilities to go with video conferencing and projectors there. Then down this hallway going back towards the eating area, you have these great briefing rooms with these frosted glass side lights, floor cores, drop-down screens, and whiteboards in each of them. There are 4 of those in this area, and you can see in the distance where the cafeteria was. Now leads you into the data center, 16,000 square foot data center. This is really quite impressive. As you can see, it goes forever. And, depending on Christ Embassy's needs for servers, you could take a quarter of this and colo the other 12,000 square feet. And the rents that we're getting for colocation space is really much higher than the market for office space, by double to triple sometimes. You see, they've left a bunch of server equipment that is pretty much brand new here in this section. This section is just one of the 2 large server areas. As I lead you into the other, you can see this side is actually larger and has more equipment. This is massive. I have not seen a server area this large ever in my career. The supplemental income potential here is really quite massive. They already have rooms broken out. So if you had a large user that had a large server need, or a small user, like in this instance right here, that needed a room that was maybe just 20 by 15, like these 2 rooms that are right next to each other, you've already gotten them broken out. And what you can achieve through fencing off for just local users, the smaller that you make these rooms, the more on a per square foot basis you can charge and rent. So this is just from a functionality standpoint, one of the more impressive parts of the building.